Beauties, it's me, Alegra. I thought I would hop on today and share a makeup subscription box unboxing. This is for the IPSY box, so I can't wait to see what's inside. This box feels a little bit heavy this month, so that's good because last month didn't feel as heavy. Okay, I see some good stuff. This is the October 2022 box, and here is everything inside. So I can't wait to see. This is called the Haul-O-Ween box, so isn't that fun? So hopefully it has a Halloween kind of theme going on here. Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month. It's IPSY's Haul-O-Ween. That's what it says right here. So they've conjured up everything you need to do your makeup looks for the Halloween festivities. So I was gonna say holiday, but it's, you know, Halloween or a holiday, not really. I guess for some. So, okay, first things first, please tell me yes. Guys, this is in here is the Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser. Cleanse, Purify, Exfoliate. I'm so happy because I have run out of all my cleansers and I'm using one right now that I don't like. So, yes, I needed a new one. The one that I'm using is, I forgot what it's from. I got it in a box and it's so creamy and it never really leaves your skin feeling clean, and I'm sure it's good for dry skin. So anyway, in the box also is this beautiful pink and black brush. Wow, this is from VC Collection. So stunning. Oh, and I love the shape because you can really pack under your eyes, and I'm obsessed with the under eye area because I have so many issues. So the perfect brush is everything to fit under your eyes, you know. You can do powder products, pressed powder, loose powder with this shape. Now this feels so good because it is flat, but then the tip is rounded, so it's perfect to fit right onto your T-zone area, but then the rounded part fits right under your eyes. So how perfect is that, you guys? And it fits right on your chin area, so nice to really hug the contour of your chin. So that feels really good. It's very stiff, but it's also very soft. So this is an amazing brush. Yes, this brush is good. This brush is good. Wow. That's what I love about IPSY, is that you discover products that you might not have discovered otherwise, and this is phenomenal. I would not have known about this, and it's actually visually just stunning as well. Beautiful, the pink and the black, love that. But the shape of this is everything. It's just amazing. So I hope you guys can see, but it's kind of, you know, it's tapered and it's flat on the body, but then the head is pointed. So how flippin' amazing is that? And let me go ahead and put that in a safe space. I don't want to lose that jammy. So let's see, here is a eyeshadow palette. I think this should be an eyeshadow palette. This one is called True Nude. So let's see, have you guys gotten this in your IPSY box? Let me know down below what you got in your IPSY box. But yes, this is from Elmon Beauty eyeshadow palette. Cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So are these going to be beautiful nude shades? Let's see. You just slide it out like so. Love the packaging, the beautiful gold trim. Yes, look at that. These are after a girl's heart. And if you love the nudes, then yes, this is gorgeous. Look at that beautiful color here, this kind of honey color. That's something I've never seen before. And this color, I love a honey kind of bronze brown shade, nude shade, bronze, buttery honey nude shade right here. That would be beautiful. And then this, oh, this is going to be gorgeous. I can't wait to use that. That's going definitely right in my makeup bag. I would use it right now if I could, but you can see that I do have eyeshadow on. But I'll be back and we'll do a look. We'll do a look with that, because those shades really truly do look different than other nude. I know I have a lot of nude shades, but those look really different. So they're more on the honey. They look honey and buttery-esque. So anyway, guys, here is, oh, look at this now. I need this. Oh my gosh, Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Eye Collagen Pads. This is exactly what I needed. So let me go ahead and open this. This is another one. I wish I could put this on right now because my under eye circles are, is that noise? Do you guys like that noise or not? I personally don't like crinkle noises, but some people love it. Oh, kind of a metal packaging, beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. That is so awesome because you can keep them in here safe. Because a lot of times my eye patches, I don't know, they just get all over the place. But look how many you get in here. So many times they send you like 3 in a box. But in here is how many? 10 sets. That's amazing. And then it's kind of like a Band-Aid box, an old-time Band-Aid box. And then here is your under eye pads, which they say are volumizing. Who doesn't need that? And collagen infused. Okay, beautiful packaging too. I love the shade, this kind of beautiful nude, another one, nude tone shade, kind of that putty nude. Oh, beautiful. So can't wait to use that. And then here, beauties. Oh, look at this Kat Von D pencil, tattoo pencil liner. I actually have this and I love it, but do I have this? No, I don't have this color. This is green. I have it in black and I love it. It's pretty budget proof. It really stays put. So this is such a good one. And green is so beautiful, you know. That looks like a hunter green, an evergreen, a deep green. So you know it's going to just be a hint of green, which is really nice. And then here is the IPSY Glam Bag. So beautiful, has kind of like a spider web embossed onto the bag, and it has a little spider charm on it. So cute, and purple trim, deep purple trim, beautiful. And then let's see what's inside. Oh, a Kapari Ultra Restoration Body Butter. Can't wait to use this with hyaluronic acid. I was actually going to buy that the other day, so I'm so glad I didn't, because you know I got that beautiful deluxe size. And here is, oh my god guys, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. Oh, in this cherry shade. Wow, hot cherries. This is so gorgeous. I'm going to definitely be wearing this for the fall and the winter months. And then here is a calamine pore purging mask, Fab Pharma. I love masks, so I'm going to use this tonight too. I'm going to go all out tonight and use my new Dr. Brandt cleanser and this pore purifying mask. And then here is Bare Minerals Maximus Phyto Fiber Volumizing Mascara. Can't wait to try that. And finally guys, in my makeup subscription box unboxing today from IPSY is the Basic Beauty Lipstick. So let me see what that is all about. Beautiful. Oh, I like the packaging. It's square, so it's different. Basic Beauty. Oh, it's a beautiful red shade. Perfect. Another one perfect for the winter months. This reminds me like 50s retro beauty. That's really nice. I like that. Marilyn Monroe-esque, you know. Did you guys see Marilyn, the movie? Was that the name of it? Blonde. Blonde was the movie. Yeah, I really didn't see it. So, but I'm obsessed with Marilyn Monroe now. I'm like the last one, guys. No, but anyway. And also, one more thing, guys, in the box is this beautiful Halloween inspired bag, black and purple. Beautiful to put all of your goodies in, all of your makeup treats. And it has the pumpkin on it and all kinds of good stuff. So, 4-leaf clover, so all kinds of stuff on here. So it's definitely a great bag to keep all of your makeup goodies in. So let me know what you beauties got in your IPSY Glam Bag this month. Let me know what your favorites from your box are. So let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. So I really hope you enjoyed this makeup subscription box unboxing from IPSY. And thank you beauties so much for coming and spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!